Right, so for the Thai green curry paste, you need 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. I'm going to blitz these in a coffee grinder, they're coriander seeds. You need about 10 green chilies. I do not have 10 green chilies at home, so I'm just going to be using about 4 red Thai chilies and 1 green chili and 1 thing. This is what I have. So that's what I'm using. About 6 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to be putting in, 1 onion, a bunch of coriander. You can use 2 green coriander plants. If you have the green plant, I suggest you use all of it. I'm using what I have at home today because it's lockdown. And I'm going to be putting in a few green spring onions as well as lemongrass. I'm going to put in 4 sticks of lemongrass into the paste. So you can watch me as I go ahead and chop this and make it happen. Right, so let's start with the chilies because they're the easiest. Top off, and then I'm just going to roughly chop it so I can drop it in. Now with these things, and of course you need garlic, 1 inch of ginger as well. Just give it a bash. Take the peel off. Comes off easily when you bash it. The smell is so good. It's done. Now we'll just chop this. Right, I'm going to blitz the coriander powder and then come back. I'm just going to drop the cumin powder in. I'll blitz the coriander and I'll be back. So I've put the coriander seeds in there and then just turn it on and blitz it till it becomes a powder. Nothing like fresh. Bit more. There, it's done. Now we're going to put it in. then we're going to chop a couple of these and drop them in as well. Don't need to use all of them, just 2 will do. Just going to remove the ends. And the green curry paste, Thai green curry paste is ready. It would have been greener if I had more coriander and more green chilies, but you know, lockdown, I've got what I've got and I've made it. Right, so that's the Thai green curry paste, and I shall be making a Thai green curry, vegetable Thai green curry with it later today. So you can look out for that video after this one.